First, we have the circle of control of where we are. So you see the little red guy, there's the circle around him. You can control your body. You can control your words. You can control your thoughts with practice. That's it, I think. If you have a different perspective, I'm happy to hear it. So you do have a place where you begin and where you end. The second circle is the area of concern, the place where you see outside of your own circle, people in your family, people in your friends. Depending on what your stewardship is in that relationship will define the boundaries of that relationship and what is appropriate within that relationship. But this is a space where we don't control the choice. We don't control their body. We don't control their words. We don't control their thoughts. Or at least that's where the boundary comes in. Unhealthy relationships are a result of not understanding boundaries, of not owning our own power, of not claiming your space to make your own choices. That's why this principle is so huge. Okay, so circle 3 is our circle of influence. As we gain control over ourselves, we can increase our influence on our circle of concern. And as we gain power to build healthy relationships in our circle of concern, then our circle of influence grows, that we are able to build relationships further out and our influence is able to flow further out. You might have seen this picture of a ripple effect. That's what this idea is talking about when it comes to influence. I believe that this principle is true of the drop of water as well as it is true as we build our personal control and influence, control in our own lives, control over ourselves, our thoughts, our minds, and then increase that influence out to other people. So as that drop of water goes into the center, then it starts to ripple out. You've probably seen this in nature. So as you think about that ripple going out, think about these 3 circles of control. The circle of control, the circle of concern, and the circle of influence.